Hey there! Today we're going to walk you through a super easy tutorial on how to use ExpressVPN, one of the best VPNs out there. If you're new to VPNs or need a little refresher, don't worry, this ExpressVPN tutorial is for you. We've added links in the description below for exclusive deals from ExpressVPN, so don't forget to check them out later. First, let's briefly explain what is a VPN. VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. It's a tool that encrypts your internet connection and routes it through a secure server, providing you with online privacy and security. There are several VPN providers on the market, but we recommend ExpressVPN for its top-notch security features like AES 256 military-grade encryption, super-fast connection speeds, and wide server network across 94 countries. You can use ExpressVPN on various devices, including Windows, macOS, Android, and iOS. Let's start by installing ExpressVPN on your device. Go to the official ExpressVPN website and sign up for an account. After that, download the appropriate app for your device and operating system. Once the installation is complete, launch the ExpressVPN app on your device. Now it's time to connect to a VPN server. In the ExpressVPN app, you'll see a massive list of server locations. Choose a server from the available options. Once you've selected a server, click on the Connect button, and ExpressVPN will establish a secure connection. After connecting to the VPN server, it's essential to ensure that the connection is successful. Let's check your IP address with ExpressVPN's IP checker. When we disconnect from the VPN, this is your actual IP address. Now if we connect to the VPN again, as you can see, your IP address has changed, and it shows your new location. This indicates that your connection is secure and private. When you're done using ExpressVPN, it's essential to disconnect from the server to restore your regular internet connection. ExpressVPN is perfect for streaming and gaming enthusiasts. You can access a world of entertainment by connecting to servers in different countries. It also ensures that you have a smooth gaming experience with its lightning-fast servers and optimized network. We recommend you use the lightweight protocol, specifically designed for speed, as it reduces lag and latency, so you can immerse yourself in your favorite games without any interruptions. And if you're worried about your privacy while gaming and streaming, it has a network lock feature that cuts off your internet connection if the VPN connection drops, keeping your data secure and preventing any accidental leaks. Lastly, its split tunneling feature gives you ultimate control over your internet traffic. You can route some of your data through the VPN while leaving the rest unaffected. This means you can game or stream through the VPN while simultaneously accessing other local services, optimizing your bandwidth usage. Before we wrap up, here are some final tips for beginners. Always use the Smart Location option if you're not sure which server to connect to. If you encounter any issues, the ExpressVPN website has a comprehensive support section to assist you. You can also chat with their reliable customer support, which is available 24/7. Lastly, keep your ExpressVPN app updated to ensure the latest security features. For beginners, you can try ExpressVPN for 30 days risk-free to check if it works for your needs. If you're unsatisfied with it, you can easily request a refund, no questions asked. Check out the links below for discounts. And that concludes our basic VPN tutorial on how to use ExpressVPN. Hope this VPN tutorial for beginners helped you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing!